Welcome to the Freeman Lumber Pine Plant. The process starts with a wheel loader bringing a bale of lumber to the in-feed chains. This product is dried to 10% moisture and is going to be dressed into a high-value appearance product. A tilt hoist lifts the bundle and drops it row by row onto the in-feed chains for our high-speed molder. The flow of material to the molder is controlled by a Cognex camera. This 8-head molder dresses the product in with a beautiful finish at very high speeds. There is no human grading in our plant. Everything's done with a full vision optimizer that uses artificial intelligence. When provided feedback, this machine learns to grade lumber better. The lumber is then conveyed onto a slow-down belt, and grade checks and dressing quality checks are done routinely to make sure the product is of very consistent and high quality. The boards are then loaded onto a lug loader, and a thumbprint scanner identifies each board and its solution by looking at the grain of the wood. The solution is projected onto the boards before it goes through our trimmer. As you can see, a lot of pieces are cut in two. This is for our big box program, where the primary length is 8 foot and shorter. Lumber is then printed with an inkjet printer on the ends. Some of the lumber goes to be hand stacked, while the rest goes up a conveyor to be stacked automatically. The operator end tags the lumber with barcodes as the lumber goes by, and it goes to be automatically stacked. An appearance grade product needs to be carefully and slowly stacked to make sure that we don't damage or mark the product. The remaining boards go to what we call a green chain to be hand stacked. Once a lift is full, it's pulled out to be picked up by a forklift. From there it'll go be packaged and end tagged. End tagging is a slow and tedious process, but essential for our end customer. Retailers are able to scan the tags when an individual customer comes to the checkout. Once a lift is tagged, it goes to be packaged. Presentation is everything, and neatly packaging and covering the lumber in a bag is essential. It also protects the lumber from dust, water, and other debris. Units are barcoded, end tagged, and strapped. You'll notice that corner pieces are put in on either side of the tarp to make sure that the lumber doesn't get dented by the strap. Once a lift is packaged, it gets conveyed out to our 18,000 square foot warehouse, where it stays out of the weather until it's loaded onto a truck. Some of our wood gets redressed into pattern. As you can see, boards are individually loaded into another low-speed molder. This molder takes already dressed lumber and puts a pattern on it. Today we're doing edge and center bead, the same product that you'd see used for beadboard in homes. Today we're running at about 120 feet per minute. Slow and steady wins the race. Each board is individually inspected to make sure that the dressing quality and the pattern is put on the board correctly before it's stacked into an individual unit. Not only is this lumber shipped locally, our big box program actually supplies up to 160 stores. As you can see, once the product is complete, it's loaded on a flatbed truck and tarped and sent to the final customer.